Hi, it's Kirby
and Dana
from KJF-TravelAdventures, and we are heading out on another 7-day cruise. And so Dana is here to give you all the packing tips on how to fit everything you need for a 7-day cruise in a carry-on bag.
Just some tips for packing light.
We're
going to link things below, and we also have links on our website. And we do get a little kickback from Amazon if you do purchase things through those links. So you're just supporting our channel, which is helpful. Thank you very much.
Helps us bring you more fun videos.
And we will also link some other packing videos that we have already done. We have a cruise stuff video. We have a travel first aid kit video. We also have a theme park packing video. So if you're going on a trip and you're packing light, but you need to have stuff for a theme park, could be helpful.
All right, so let's check it out.
All right, so shoes. That's the bulkiest item that you're gonna have. I tried to only pack 3 shoes. So I pack a sandal that is good for the beach, the pool, something you can get wet and not worry about. These are Birkenstocks, but I do have linked a different brand of basically the same shoe on our website. Water shoes are important. So we found these. They're water shoes. You can see they have holes in the bottom so the water will drain out. But these also double as good walking shoes. If you wanted to work out, they could be your gym shoes. I wear them with socks when I plan on walking along. I wear them without socks when I plan on going into the ocean with them. And your dress-up shoes. I pick one dress-up shoe and I pick dress-up clothes to go with those shoes. Also, I'm going on a cruise, which means absolutely I'm not wearing a heel. First of all, the cruise ships are huge. Secondly, they move. And unless you are extremely skilled at wearing heels, I recommend wearing a flat. We have all 3 shoes linked below and on our website. So, dress up clothes. I have one jumpsuit that's going to be my elegant clothing for 2 nights of elegant. Because I don't care if I wear the same outfit twice. I'm never going to see these people again. I have one pair of pants that will be my dinner pants for all the other dinner nights. What I've typically seen on cruises and what we do is you wear your fancy outfit to dinner, you go back to the cabin and get your casual clothes. So if you're wearing the pants for maybe an hour a day, you can wear them multiple days. All right. On theme, you want things that pull double duty. So I like to pack shirts that I can wear to dinner. I could dress up, but then I can also wear casually. So like this striped shirt, I could easily wear it to dinner with a pair of dress-up pants, or the next day I can wear them with shorts and walk around a cruise port. Shirts like this, the athletic material, definitely you can wear them for walking around a cruise port, walking around the cruise ship, but then you can also wear them as a rash guard for on top of your swimsuit to protect you from the sun. So again, double duty. It saves you a lot of room by not having to pack 2 shirts where you can just use one. Febreze is going to be your best friend. If you are re-wearing things, if you plan on wearing everything twice, which that's usually my plan, Febreze is going to be your friend. Spray the stinky bits, set it out, the next day you have a new shirt. And if you need to do a little bit of laundry, like a load of underwear in your sink, we have laundry sheets that I cut into small strips, so I can do a load of like 4 pairs of underwear in the sink, hang them up to dry. Easy. All right, some other things to think about to help you pack light. Likely wherever you're going, whether it be a hotel, an Airbnb, a cruise ship, they're gonna have some toiletries already there for you. You probably don't need to bring shampoo. You probably don't need to bring soap. If you have a special soap or a special shampoo that you need to use or some sort of medicated thing, get a travel size bottle or a travel size tub, or look for already a pre-made travel size and bring just a little bit. Also remember that cruise ports typically have shops. I know that in San Juan, where we're going, for example, There's a CVS right from the cruise port. So if I ever forgot anything, I could go there and get it. You don't need to pack everything. Another way to pack light or make sure that you don't overpack, think about what you're doing. For example, on a cruise, we typically hang out. We lay around in our swimsuits, reading and soaking up the sun. If you are more adventurous and you go to a cruise port and you're hiking through a rainforest, you're not going to want to bring so many swimsuits. I'm going to bring 3 swimsuits, but if I was going hiking through a rainforest, I'd probably bring better shoes, good socks, good pants, and not so many swimsuits.
All right, if you have any other tips for packing light that we missed, make sure you leave a comment below. Obviously, this is Dana's packing video because Dana has packed and I haven't.
I really like packing.
Yeah, Dana would have packed a week ago if I was ready to film this video, so it's my fault she's not packed yet.
If Kirby would let me pack for her, she would also already be packed.
That's true. That's true. All right. That's it.
That's it.
I'm Kirby.
I'm Dana.
From KJF-TravelAdventures. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when all of our new videos drop. Bye.
Bye.